Welcome to English with Colleen. Today you are going to learn to tell time on the hour. The shorthand tells the hour. The hour is 2. The longhand tells the minutes. When the longhand points to the 12, the minutes are 00, also known as o'clock. The time is written hour, minutes, 2:00, 2 o'clock. Now listen and repeat. 1 o'clock, 2 o'clock, 3 o'clock, 4 o'clock, 5 o'clock, 6 o'clock, 7 o'clock, 8 o'clock, 9 o'clock, 10 o'clock, 11 o'clock, 12 o'clock. Here's a quick quiz. What time is it? Comment below. Thank you for watching and subscribe to my channel.